Hey, what's up everybody? Ike here for Blue Collar Cruising. I'm here in Galveston, Texas. Okay, a lot of you guys cruise out of Galveston like I do, and maybe you're looking for a cheap spot to stay for, you know, that you still have a little bit of fun at. So this is the Beachfront Palms Motel or Hotel. Beachfront Hotel. Okay. Now, I'm here. This is where we're located, right? This is the place right here. And obviously, we're right across the street. This is Seawall Boulevard right here. Seawall Boulevard. And obviously, that's the Gulf of Mexico and all that. So these rooms are, I would say, to me, are probably some of the, for the money, are actually pretty decent, right? If you guys are looking for a cheaper place to stay here on the island, that you're still close to the beach and everything, this is probably one of the best spots, right? You know, obviously there's better hotels, you know, but they're they're a little bit more expensive, right? This one is kind of a budget hotel, maybe, if you want to call it that, but you still have access to the beach, you know, and you're right here. You know, there's like a Kroger next door, there's a Mexican restaurant next door, and you walk across the street, there's a fishing pier that you know, they do cocktails and all sorts of stuff over there, and they have a pool here. They have a pool here. The rooms are pretty basic, and I think that's where, you know, and I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to show you the rooms, okay? But they're pretty basic. But if you're not looking at spending a whole lot of time here, you know, hey, they're decent, right? You get what you pay for. If you want a 5-star hotel, this ain't it. But you know, there's one down the road. You go spend $500 a night over at that 5-star hotel, okay? You know, you can get one for $100 a night, or less, or a little bit more sometimes. It just depends on if it's peak season or not. It does get expensive on the whole island. So anyway, let's take a look around. This is the this is the spot right here. They are still doing some renovating here as we record this in April 2023. So that's what you hear there. But this is the pool area right here. Right here, and then you have rooms all the way up that way. You know, and there's what, three floors full of rooms. And the pool again, right here. They have breakfast in the morning, which is, you know, is what it is. anyways, like I said, it's a basic room, and you know, you get what you pay for here. I think you know, if you're not going to spend a whole lot of time here, then it's a good spot to stay. I appreciate you guys watching. Beachfront Palms Hotel, right here on Galveston on Seawall Boulevard. And yeah, well, if you're going to the cruise terminal, you're probably about, I want to say about 5 miles away, so that's about 15 minutes 15 to 20 minutes with all the red lights and all that. So give yourself plenty of time to get there to the cruise terminal if you're doing that, or if you're just here for a vacation. Hey, it's a nice spot, I think, and you're close to the beach, and you don't have to break the bank to stay here. Anyways, thanks for watching. 73.